Hello friends, let us now learn about question 9. Maturation and education of T lymphocytes occurs within the thymus with more than 97% proliferating T cells being eliminated because they either respond to self or express T cells receptors that interact too weakly or strongly with their relevant antigens. The microscopic appearance of a second trimester fetal thymus is shown here. Okay, so those self-reactive T cells are being eliminated. How are they eliminated? What is the process shown here? So here this elimination occurs by the process of apoptosis. What genes play a role? We have pro-apoptotic factors and anti-apoptotic factors which play a role. Pro-apoptotic factors are BAX, BAX, BAC are the pro-apoptotic factors. Anti-apoptotic factor is BCL2. How could cell damage by free radicals, toxins and radiation provide similar damage response? The cell damage by toxins, radiation and toxins, this also triggers apoptosis because it will trigger apoptosis. So the damage is similar. See, whenever there is any injury, the cell tries to repair itself. If it cannot repair itself, that it undergoes apoptosis. So thank you guys for watching.